Oh yeah, sweating balls. Hey, y'all got all black and white gloves, all three of you.
Yeah, he copied me.
Mine are all black. For the most part.
And I see white on there.
Not like your guys's.
Ours are just more white dominant.
True.
No, he straight up has the same fucking pair of gloves.
Like the same fucking glove.
They are the same fucking glove because he wanted the same thing I got, so I took him to fucking Babbitt's.
I really didn't see anything better than these gloves there, to be honest.
I got these from Babbitt's too.
I got mine on Amazon.
Yeah, we paid fucking buku bucks for these. You probably fucking...
These are like $70.
Man.
Me behind, fuck. Hell yeah, good guys. Talked at all yet. I'm hoping it gets recorded instead of static. But I'm out here with Kawiyama, my buddy Dakota, and mutual friend Chris. The last two don't have socials like Kawi does, so can't really tag them in it. Hoping Mac will come out later. Pretty solid split pack right now. Got a couple cruisers, sport, and a naked.
got this bitch dirty at the fucking shop though. This place is dusty as fuck.
I mean, you could pass off the front fender as having some fancy like graphicing on it, but it's powder coated, it'll live. Something smells like gas. Could be any of us. Probably me though. Best I got. Oh damn, they're on the wrong side of the road. Car coming through though.
All the cars, dude.
Yeah. That car is like original.
I saw that dude up at the restaurant. I like that green, but you can't do that. Haha. Stupid idiot. Do it. It'll be really funny. Let me get the bike out of the way first, so.
There's no way in hell this bike is doing that. Even if I wanted to. Go on the baffle. Subaru's kind of getting on it a little bit. Guess they're gonna get out of it. fucking towed it. Fuck yeah, it is. We're going to Jet Stars. I heard that through your fucking through the air before I heard it on the fucking Cardo. Yeah, and I heard, whoa, it's so loud as shit. Oh, we could. Do you want to? Back, bro. Hard style.
I got sketched out about that fucking cop. Goddamn.
Yeah.
He hasn't left him out of his sight.
I don't know where you went.
It makes you less suspicious if you don't stare at the car.
I'm staring because I want to see what it is. I want to see my nose top.